Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath821.
FamilyMath821. So today we're going to do an experiment with the skew dice we got from the dice lab. So those are these dice. And next to the skew dice I have some casino grade dice that I happen to own as well. So before we do the experiment, I would like you to tell me some differences that you notice between the skew dice and the casino grade dice, and then also tell me some things that are the same about them.
Well, some differences is that on the skew dice here, there are holes in the in the dice, but here they're painted on.
Okay, yeah, that actually is one important difference. In casino grade dice, where they're designing them to, be as close to perfectly random as possible.
These aren't actually going to be perfectly random because the one is heavier. The side with one is heavier than the side with 6 opposite it. So it's more likely that 6 is going to end up than, say, 4.
It's certainly possible that that's the case. So with the casino grade dice, they actually make the paint have the same density as the dice material. So when they do the painting in the holes, actually all the sides are the same. That's one very, very important property of the dice. Can you tell me something that's the same or different?
Well, the shape of the face is obviously different, and the way the angles are different, the side lengths are different, as opposed to all right angles and all the same length.
Okay.
So something the same is that they both have 6 sides. They're both the same kind of model.
Mm-hmm.
6 sides, and they're supposed to be random on each side.
Okay. There's also there's another important difference. Why don't you touch them? Tell me something that you see or you notice is different just when you touch them. Although maybe you probably need to try to keep your hands in that area.
Well, the edges are a bit different.
All right. What do you mean about that?
So on these edges are really like perfect corners,
Uh-huh.
and then here they're a bit rounded, the edges and the corners.
Okay.
I'm not sure if this matters, but I think these are heavier.
Oh, they're heavier too. Okay.
They're small. These dice are smaller.
Yeah, that's true. The skew dice are a little smaller. These are heavier. Maybe they're made with heavier material though. So I don't know. They're definitely bigger and heavier, but yeah, the sharpness of the edges and the corners too are very sharp. So.
Yep.
All right. So what we're going to do today, we're not going to test the casino grade dice. We're going to test the skew dice, and I think we're going to try to roll them. How many do we have? 10?
10 of them.
All right. Maybe we'll try to roll them 120 times.
All right.
Test them. So what do we need to do to roll them to make a good test?
So we need like something that we can shake them up in.
Okay. Why is that?
Because if they're in your hand, like I can do this.
Make sure you do it on screen.
Or I can do like that.
Okay.
Or I can do like that.
They're different.
And it's a different method of rolling, but if you're shaking it up in like a cup, it'll be mostly the same each time.
Okay. And if I do 120 rolls, what am I expecting to find?
Well, you're expecting to find 20 of each side.
Okay.
Numbers 1 through 6.
And so should I get 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20?
Well,
Maybe slight error margins, like maybe like 18 or 23.
Okay. Give me an example of a number of ones that we could get that would leave you concerned that the dice were not random.
Like 40.
40
Or
ones.
one.
Or one. Okay. All right, so we're going to try to shake these up as randomly as possible and then write the numbers down, but we'll do that all off camera.